along the hardened path of Highway 6. On the outskirts of places to be.
It's very special here. We have such a hybrid of cultures that are happening here. There's the cowboy art culture that happens in Clifton. There's the Norwegian immigration that happened outside of town in Bosque County.
Founded during the 19th century in 1852, Clifftown, Texas was born. Its name, a nod to the limestone hills that dotted the unsettled Central Texas grounds. Well, it's not a blink and you miss it kind of town. For many, it's more than a stop for gas and a bite to eat along the way to usually someplace else.
Right around 8,000 people a day travel through Bosque County on Highway 6, and many of them don't stop. It's unfortunate that people don't think about the amazing history that happened here and how that relates to other cultures.
It's those stories you'll find housed behind the walls of the Bosque Museum, which began because of the collection of an early immigrant, Jacob Olson, writing in his will to keep what was found right here in our own backyard.
He was very passionate about the history of Bosque County. And he said if the college would ever leave, a museum needed to be formed.
Welcome, folks. Al Redder again.
One such backyard story carries with it the weight of history.
But we're working on something special today.
And tells of Al Redder's love and curiosity of archaeology
Found lots of history
that led to the
buried,
unearthing
but a
of some
couple
of
weeks ago,
Bosque County's
we hit
earliest
our
settlers
latest
from
discovery.
nearly 12,000 years ago.
You know, when we started excavating this site,
Today, Redder's Dig at Horn Shelter is the only double burial on record during the Paleo-American period in North American history. Aaron Shields believes the story of Bosque County is a story that resonates, and of one that mirrors her own ancestors who too believed in the American dream.
The story of Norwegian immigration relates to my family's story of immigration too. The concept of packing all your stuff up and coming across the ocean, and you can only bring a limited amount of things. Those stories are pervasive, and it doesn't matter what country you're coming from or what you're talking about.
In the heart of Central Texas, built along the banks of the Bosque, a museum lives and breathes because someone, somewhere, thought this patch of land deserved to be just a little bit more in Texas.
I want people to be proud of this area of Texas. I want them to understand what happened here, whether or not they're from here or not, to be proud of that fact.